how to color your pattern. Okay, so this is my leaf, and these are my 3 of my sizes. Okay, all the templates are with you. Okay, and I will be using my Magnus blue for the inks. Okay, and red germanium. So I have my ink blender. So what I will be doing, I will be taking my inks. Okay, make sure your mat should be like a non-sticky. Okay, so now I'm just taking my inks in my petal and just rotating. Okay, you can use the finger dabber as well. Okay, make sure you have to take the good amount of inks. Okay, my ink pad, if your ink pad is my ink pads are they are old. Okay, so I'm not dabbing on the mat, but if your ink pads are new, then let me show you the technique. You have to take the ink, and after that you can dab it. Otherwise what happen, you will get the spot on your pattern. Okay, so make sure, otherwise you will get the spot on your directly on the leaf. Okay, you how to make how to do the embossing. Okay, so these are all the things I have on my table, and 3 sizes. I'm just keeping in water for few seconds. These are the tools which I think every flower maker have it, and this is most amazing tool. Okay, I don't think so without any crafter can make the flower with this ball tool. Okay, so the tools are very important, and but of course you can start flower making with your home material. Okay, so this is our leaf. Now what I am going to do, the back side. Okay, so firstly what you will be needing, you have to like this. Okay, on 3. I mean what to do, I am just doing the flexibility of the paper. Okay, I am just breaking the paper. Breaking means I am just keeping soft my paper to like this. Okay, and maybe few people are thinking like these are a little bit look like a sunflower, but you know the techniques are different. Maybe the because this is the yellow color, maybe you can think, but the things are, you know, the formations are different. So this is how. And the center part I'm not doing right. When I will do the formation, okay, so then I will tell you. Okay, so this is now what you have to take from the both side and just pinch it. Okay, like this. And believe me guys, this is one of the most beautiful flower you will see. Then how it has been made. Okay, and the center part I will be doing when I will do the formation. Okay, even for like for big pattern, what you can do, you can take the big ball too. Okay, to just break the paper. Okay, like this, and after that just pinch it. Okay, just pinch it. Okay, like this. From the both side, and you don't need to work here. Okay, only you have to pinch from here. Okay, you can say this technique called the squeeze. It means it called Hindi in super nut. Okay. Okay, so this is okay, and it's please keep it flat, and I will be showing you what is the technique to do the formation. Okay, so this is the medium one. You can take this ball tool. Okay, okay, so you can do the just break the paper. Okay, and if you will not dip in water, you will not get this kind of curly things. Okay, so only because of that reason I'm telling you again and please dip in water. Okay, and please squeeze it. Okay, you don't need to work here. Okay, okay, so this is all the patterns. Okay, now I will be showing you how to work with the leaf. Okay, so this is the leaf which we have prepared. For this I will be showing you how to work with the groove tool. Okay, so what you need to do, okay, keep your finger like this. Okay, and from here, okay, you have to make the up to down like this. Okay, up to down, and the back side you can use the groove tool, the back side. Okay, see, your leaf is ready. Perfect, most beautiful leaf it is. Okay, without any knot. You must buy the tools. Without tools I don't think so people can like you have to like you can use it. Okay, so this is how our formation and has been done. Okay, so now I'm taking my leaf. Okay, because and now what I will be doing, this one you have to take the biggest one. Okay, this is not the, this is the biggest, and make a pressure. Okay, like this. Okay, and close it. Just make sure your petals should become alternately when you close this bud. Okay, even you can use these buds extra. You can make some extra buds, and you can you can use this buds as well. Okay, just hold it like this. Okay, now I am taking this size one, the petal number size. Okay, just place it, and it's my this petal, it's not, I think, let me put some glue. Just make sure whenever you close it, your every petal should be visible. Okay, like how many petals you have like inside, so it should be the visible. Okay, now I'm just putting more glue. Just close like this. Okay, and don't worry. Okay, once it will dry, you can open like this. Okay, and so let's take little bit time to dry. Only because of that reason, what I have done, just make sure it should be dry. You can take the glue gun as well. Okay, let me hold it for the some time. Okay, so this is my pattern study. I'm just putting the glue on this. Okay. And alternately you have to close it. Okay, like this. Okay, just hold it for the some time, and don't worry about the things. When it will dry, we will open it. Okay, just for hold it for now. I'm putting my fourth one leaf. Okay, and now you can shape your flower, like you can open it little bit or you can close it, up to you. See, this flower is also ready. Okay, on the leaves as well. Okay, so what I'll be needing for this: water, our rainbow glitter from Dress My Craft, and my brush. Okay, and this is my fabrical glue, and this is the transparent glue which I'm going to use for sticking. Okay, so now what, and this is the funnel tray. Basically I lost my this nozzle, so I have to do the work very safely. Okay, now what I'll be doing, I'm putting little bit of glue here. Okay, and if you have the glossy accent, you can use that one also. Now I'm taking little bit of water. Okay, I will keep my flower inside the tray, and I will apply like this. Okay, apply it in. Okay. Now take the glitter in your finger and apply like this. Guys, I'm the fan of this glitter. Okay, as much as you want you can apply it, and after that you can dye it like this. You can